Hey veterans, imagine this. You spent months gathering your service records, your documentation, writing your statements, and filing your VA claim, only to realize that you lost out on thousands and thousands of dollars because you missed one critical step. That is the intent to file. In this video, I will show you what it is, why it's important, and how it protects your VA benefits. If you're frustrated with the VA system, please hit subscribe, hit the bell. Each week, I share proven strategies to help veterans navigate through the VA system to get the benefits they've earned. I'm Todd Traczyk. I'm a West Point graduate, combat veteran, and founder of Benefits Beyond Service. I've been through the VA system myself, so I know how frustrating it can be. Truth is, I lost out on back pay on one of my claims because I didn't file the intent to file right away. That's why I make sure I talk to every veteran and say, first thing you do your intent to file. So, what is an intent to file? An intent to file simply tells the VA, I'm going to file the claim. It locks in your effective date as today. That's huge. Effective date equals back pay. For example, you file a claim today and it doesn't get approved for a year. You still get paid all the way back to today. You could potentially lose out on thousands and thousands of dollars if you miss this critical step. So again, veterans, I stress, do your intent to file today. How do you actually do the intent to file? It's very simple. Go to VA.gov, log in using id.me or login.gov, search for intent to file, click on start intent to file, pick compensation as the benefit. This locks in your disability benefits, not pension. Then review the information, click submit, and you're done. Also remember, just by starting an application does not mean you're doing your intent to file. You must submit your intent to file for it to count. Also, make sure you do a screenshot and save your confirmation page for your records. Once you submit your intent to file, you'll have 1 year to complete your claim. That's huge. It takes a lot of pressure off you. In that year, you'll have time to gather your medical evidence, request your service records, and write your statements, and go to your different exams to build up your documentation. Even if you're unsure which issues you're going to file for, please do the intent to file. You can always adjust later, but you can't go back in time. Now I want to point out some mistakes to avoid. First of all, waiting too long and missing out on back pay, picking pension instead of compensation, not saving proof that you submitted your intent to file, and forgetting about your 1 year deadline. Remember, each mistake equals lost money. Here's the takeaway, everyone. Your intent to file locks in your effective date, protects your back pay, and gives you more breathing room. It's free, it's simple, and takes less than 10 minutes to complete. But it can also cost you thousands of dollars in back pay if you don't do this critical step. Quick question. Have you already filed an intent to file, or is this the first time you're hearing about it? Please comment below as I read and reply to everyone, plus your story could help another veteran. If this video gave you clarity, please do me a favor. Please like, comment, and subscribe so other veterans can find it and not leave money on the table. Also, please grab my free VA Claims Success Checklist in the description below. It's the same roadmap I help other veterans win their claims and increase their ratings. And if you like personal guidance or would like to learn more, please look at my Calendly link below and book a free strategy call. I'd be honored to help you navigate the VA system and get the benefits you've earned.